Externally heated diamond cell can generate simultaneously high pressure and high temperature to simulate the conditions in Earth and other planets' interiors.
The main advantage of this technique is that it can be combined with various spectroscopic techniques, such as optical microscopy, X-ray diffraction, Raman spectroscopy, and beryllium scattering.
This technique is used to study interiors of rocky planets and moon. It can also be used to investigate the material property under extreme conditions in solid-state physics and chemistry. The most challenging part of this protocol is the placement and fixture of thermocouple to the diamonds. It is important to carefully follow the instruction when performing these steps.
This protocol involves many hands-on steps, so visual demonstration is critical in order to provide sufficient details for the audience to follow.
Begin by cutting the platinum-rhodium wire into 3 equal lengths, approximately 44 centimeters each. Carefully wind each wire through the holes in the heater base, leaving about 10 centimeters outside of the heater base for connection to the power supply. Make sure that the wire is lower than the gutters of the base. If it's higher than the gutter, use a proper flathead screwdriver to press it down. Wind more wires on the 10 centimeter extension wires to reduce the electrical resistance. Use 2 small ceramic electrical insulating sleeves to protect the wires extending outside the ring heater base. Mix cement adhesive with water at a ratio of 100 to 30.